Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? As you all know that educational institutions are closed, so the school management has decided to start online classes. I'm here to teach you science. Our today's topic is unit number 7, mixtures and compounds, page number 63. Let's start our lesson. As you all know that everything is made up of matter. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Matter is present in pure form and impure form. Pure matter has fixed composition and cannot be separated by any simple method. Elements and compounds are pure matter. Impure matter is made up of two or more substances. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. It can be pure or impure. Pure matter has fixed composition, while impure matter is made up of two or more substances. Elements and compounds are pure matter and mixture is an impure matter. From this flowchart diagram, you can easily depict that matter is further divided into two forms: pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance is further divided into elements and compounds. As I said earlier, that elements and compounds are pure form of matter, while mixture is impure form of matter. Now further, mixture is classified into two groups: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Our today's topic is compounds and mixtures. A compound is a chemical combination of two or more elements. When we combine two or more elements chemically, compounds are obtained. Compounds are not easy to separate. For example, water, salt or sodium chloride and carbon dioxide. Mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more elements or compounds or both. Mixture is a combination of two or more elements or compounds, or it contains both elements and compounds. Mixture is not chemically combined. It means we can separate the mixture, the components of a mixture. Examples of mixture are air, seawater. As we can separate salt from seawater, we can separate salt and water from seawater. Salad, either it is fruit salad or vegetable salad, we can separate the components. So these are the examples of mixture. Composition of mixture can vary. It means that the components can vary in quantity. For example, in salad, we can increase one component or decrease the other component. So the composition of mixture is not fixed. Sometimes we put more fruits or more apple in a fruit salad as compared to bananas. So the composition is not fixed in mixture. Similarly, the appearance of a mixture is also not fixed. Appearance is not constant. Its appearance can change. So, on the basis of appearance, mixture is classified into two groups: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture have uniform appearance. The components in homogeneous mixture are distributed uniformly. There is uniformity in the composition of the components, while in heterogeneous mixtures, the components does not have uniform appearance. The composition can vary here in heterogeneous mixtures. Now, today we have done matter. It's two different forms, pure and impure matter, elements and compounds, which are pure matter, and mixture, which is impure matter. Then the difference of compounds and mixture. Compounds are chemical combination of two or more elements, while mixture is a combination of two or more elements or compounds or both, but they are not chemically combined. We can separate mixtures easily, and there are two further classes of mixture. Homogeneous mixture, in which the composition of the components is uniform. Second is heterogeneous mixture, where the composition of the components in a mixture is not uniform. This is all for today. Students, you have to read page numbers 63 and 64 to clarify your concepts further. This is all about today. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.